A very good afternoon to everyone. Now, have a look at this question. Be attentive, everyone. Changes in price of shares during a day of 40 different companies registered at Bombay Stock Exchange are as follows. So, very first of all, underline price of shares. All of you underline price of shares and underline 40 different companies. Rian, Matthew, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Which one is variable and which one is frequency?
Prices of shares are variable.
In fact, change in price of shares. It's not price exactly, it is change in price of shares. A variable. And frequency?
The different companies.
Number of companies is frequency. Correct. Mute yourself. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Why change in price is a variable and why number of companies is a frequency? The change in price will vary or differ for every company. Every company will have a different change in price of share every day. So change in price varies from company to company, that is variable, and number of companies, the repetition where it is number of repetitions of that change in price, so that is frequency. Now find and underline inclusive continuous frequency distribution having mid value -1 for one of the classes and regular class length as 5. First of all, we have to make inclusive, and very first what we will obtain from mid value is exclusive. So how will we find exclusive distribution? For that, Abhishek Yadav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, what is the formula to get lower limit and upper limit from the mid value?
Mid value -1 upon 2 into class.
Very good. And second formula?
Mid value plus 1 upon 2 into class.
Very good, Abhishek. Very good. Keep it up. Very good. Now all of you write down this formula. First we find out the lower limit. So lower limit is equal to mid value minus class length upon 2. Okay, mid value minus class length upon 2. So Ayushi Patel, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me, as per the first paragraph, how will we find this lower limit?
Lower limit.
What is the mid value given in the first paragraph? I made you underline also.
-1.
-1. Minus what is class length?
5.
5 divided by 2. Further tell me the calculation.
-3.
5 divided by 2 is 2.5, is it? -1 minus 2.5 minus 3.5. Now listen carefully. Ayushi, don't do -1 minus 5 6 divided by 2. It is not whole upon 2. First you calculate only this part.
Okay.
You understand it? Don't do in calculator -1 minus 5 minus 6 whole. You are not doing whole divided by 2. That is wrong. It is not whole upon 2. Okay?
Yes.
Now tell me upper limit also same manner so that you don't make a wrong answer for the formula.
MB plus C by 2.
What is the value?
-1 plus 5 by 2.
Now which portion will you solve first?
5 by 2 is 2.5.
So -1 plus 2.5.
3 minus 3.
Put it in calculator.
1.5.
1.5. So what is one of your classes? -3.5 to 1.5. Okay, -3.5 to 1.5 is one of your classes. Now, how will we find the other classes? All of you understand this properly. Daria Nikam, unmute yourself. Daria.
Yes, sir.
Which is the lowest observation?
-11.
Very good. -11. All of you circle it. -11 is the lowest observation. And Daria, which is the highest observation?
22.
22. All of you mark this. Lowest -11, highest 22. Mute yourself. Which class will include -11 also? This is a complicated task, finding it here. for which I am going to give you a technique also, but one of your classes is minus 3.5 to 1.5. So which class will include minus 11? Sujal?
Sir, minus 12.5 to minus 8.5.
And how do you get that?
Sir, minus 3.5 I separate 5. So I got minus 8.5 to minus 3.5. Then I separate minus 5 more. So I got minus 12.5 to minus 8.5.
Or minus 13.5 you'll get.
13?
If you subtract minus 8.5 minus 5, you'll get minus 13.5.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Very good, Sujal. All of you make this number line to understand this concept. Lower your hands. All of you make this number line to understand this concept. Okay? Be attentive. One of the classes is minus 3.5 to 1.5. Now, how to get preceding classes? How to get all the preceding classes? What is the class length? 5. Keep on subtracting it. How to get further classes? Class length is 5. Keep on adding it. I repeat. How will you get all the preceding classes? In minus 3.5, keep on subtracting the class length, that is 5. How will you get succeeding classes? In 1.5, keep on adding the class length, that is 5. Now, all of you do in calculator minus 3.5 minus 5. I repeat, minus 3.5 minus 5. You all must get minus 8.5. Okay, you all must get minus 8.5. Now, further to minus 8.5 minus 5. You all must get minus 13.5. Now, this will be your first class. Why? Because the lowest observation is minus 11. So, will minus 11 fall in between minus 13.5 and minus 8.5 or not? So, what will be your first class in the question? Minus 13.5 to minus 8.5. Now, how will we get further classes? Be attentive, everyone. Keep on adding 5. 1.5 plus 5, 6.5. What is the highest observation now? 22. Will 22 come between 1.5 and 6.5? No. 6.5 plus 5, 11.5. Will 22 fall between this? No. 11.5 plus 5, 16.5. Will 22 fall between this? No. 16.5 plus 5, 21.5. Will 22 fall between this? No. 21.5 plus 5, 26.5. Will 22 fall between this? Yes. So what will be your last class? 21.5 to 26.5. So whatever one of the classes you obtain from the mid value, you write down that in the number line first. And then to get the previous classes, you do minus class length. To get the further classes, you do plus class length. And how much minus you have to do? You keep on subtracting until you get a class which includes lowest observation minus 11. And how much plus 5 you have to keep on doing? Keep on adding 5 until you get a class which includes the highest observation, that is 20. What we have obtained, is an exclusive class. So give the heading exclusive classes. What we have obtained are exclusive classes. Write down these exclusive classes. Minus 13.5 to minus 8.5. Then minus 8.5 to minus 3.5. Then minus 3.5 to minus 1.5. Sorry, not minus 1.5, only 1.5. Then 1.5 to 6.5. Then 6.5 to 11.5. Then 11.5 to 16.5. Then 16.5 to 21.5. And last 21.5 to 26.5. How will we get inclusive classes from this? What is the technique to obtain inclusive classes? Raise your hand. HP Brahmbhatt, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how will you get inclusive from exclusive?
Sir, by minusing 0.5 on the lower limit and adding 0.5 to upper limit.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Kunj Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
By adding 0.5 to the lower limit and by subtracting 0.5 to upper limit.
Hetvi,
Yes, sir.
we are doing reverse question. Normally we obtain exclusive from inclusive. Here we are finding inclusive from exclusive.
Yes.
So reverse is to be done.
Okay.
What you said minus 0.5, we do that when we obtain exclusive from inclusive.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
And similarly, we
Huh.
add 0.5 when we obtain exclusive from inclusive. Here we are doing reverse. So in the lower limit, you'll add 0.5 and the upper limit, you'll minus 0.5.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
See, this we have done earlier also. I'll show it to you in past questions. We have done it. There. Can you see illustration 8?
Yes.
1 to 50, 51 to 100 is inclusive.
Inclusive.
Inclusive, when we obtained exclusive, what did we do in the lower boundary point? 1. We subtracted
Yes.
0.5. So 1 minus 0.5, 0.5.
बराबर और उधर ऐड.
For 50, we added 0.5, we got 50.5. Now from this exclusive, we have to find inclusive. Then what would you do? In 0.5, you'll add 0.5,
reverse,
then you'll get
okay.
1. In 50.5, you add 0.5, minus 0.5, then you'll get 50.
Yes, sir.
So now we are doing reverse. From exclusive, we are finding inclusive. So in the lower limit, you have to add 0.5 and in the upper limit, you have to minus 0.5. Reverse.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
हाँ.
Okay. So how will we get it? 13.5 plus 0.5 minus 13.5 plus 0.5 minus 13. Minus 8.5 minus 0.5 minus 9. Now directly keep on starting with a gap of 1 and instead of 5, keep on adding 4. When inclusive class is there, instead of 5, add 4. So after minus 9, start with minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4, minus 4. Then minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4, 1. Then 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Then 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Then 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Then 17. 17 plus 4, 21. Then 22. 22 plus 4, 26. Now all of you can do the tally marks on your own and obtain the distribution. Now illustration 15, all of you will be repeating in the homework with all this exercise again what I explained you right now, and then tally marking part and frequency part you can do on your own. Now illustration 17 was in your homework that I am discussing orally only because it's a very simple question. So we need not solve it right now. You all also will not solve it. Just be attentive and do the markings and then you can retry again as your homework. So classes are 24 to 29, 24 to 34, 34 to 39, 24 to 44, 24 to 49 and so on. Raise your hand. Which type of distribution is this? We are asked to obtain original frequency distribution. Which type of distribution is this? Is this less than type or more than type? Raise your hand. May I unmute yourself? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Is it less
Sir,
than?
it is less than type.
Why? How can you say it is less than type? You are right that it is less than type, but how can you say that?
The CFIs are increasing
Okay.
in increasing order.
Okay, very good, no problem. Now see, practically I'll tell you 24 to 29 means it will include all the observations less than 29. 24 to 34 means it will include all observations less than 34 because it's starting from 24 only. And 24 to 39 means it will include all less than 39. 24 to 44 will include all less than 44. 24 to 49 will include all less than 49. All less than 54, all less than 59 because it starts from 24 everywhere. So 24 to 64, big range, 24 to 64 means all less than 64. Now, Dev Shah, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Less than 29, less than 34, less than 39, 44 and so on. What will be the classes when you make original frequency distribution?
24 to 29.
Okay, first class 24 to 29, then
29 to 34.
29 to 34, then
And 34 to 39.
34 to 39,
39 to 44.
39 to 44,
44 to 49.
44 to 49,
49 to 54.
49 to 54.
54 to 59.
54 to 59.
59 to 64.
Very good. 59 to 64. Mute yourself. And Pratham, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
How will you find frequencies? What rule did I tell you to find frequencies? Read this. What is there on the screen?
Classes from mid value. Obtaining original frequency distribution from cumulative frequency distribution. Start subtracting CFI from highest CF to obtain the frequency.
Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So tell me here. How will you find frequencies? I'm asking you.
Sir, 3.
Then?
9.
Now, Pratham, what is the highest CFI?
100.
So start subtracting from 100. So simple. Just how you read that.
Oh.
100 minus 95.
5.
That will be the frequency for 59 to 64. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then 95 minus 88.
7.
That will be the frequency for 54 to
59.
And so on. 88 minus 78. 78 minus 55.
10.
55 minus
Yes.
30. 30 minus 12. 12 minus 3. And first one, 24 to 29 will remain 3 only.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one is more than type. 10 to 90 means more than 10. 20 to 90 means more than 20. 30 to 90 means more than 30. 40 to 90 means more than 40. Because everywhere it is going till 90 means 40 to 90 more than 40 all are included. 50 to 90 more than and equal to. More than equal to 40, 50, more than equal to 60, more than equal to 70 and more than equal to 80. So here your classes 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and last will be 80 to 90. And here I is CFI 200. So 200 minus 180. 180 minus 140. Then 140 minus 90. 90 minus 55. 55 minus 30. 30 minus 8 and 8 minus 3. Last will remain 3 only. Okay, look at illustration 16. The monthly salaries of 24 employees working in a private company are given below. Prepare an appropriate frequency distribution. Here you will be making frequency distribution with unequal class length because the range of the data is very wide. Because the range of the data is very wide. Therefore, you will make frequency distribution with unequal or irregular class. And what unequal or irregular class length is to be taken, that you can see in the solution. Normally in your exams, they will give you the hint for such a thing, how the irregular frequency distribution is to be taken. But here you can directly take the classes from the solution. Okay, whatever solution is provided, directly take the classes from the same. Okay, look at illustration 16. The monthly salaries of 24 employees working in a private company are given below. Prepare an appropriate frequency distribution. Here you will be making frequency distribution with unequal class length because the range of the data is very wide. Because the range of the data is very wide. Therefore, you will make frequency distribution with unequal or irregular class. And what unequal or irregular class length is to be taken, that you can see in the solution. Normally in your exams, they will give you the hint for such a thing, how the irregular frequency distribution is to be taken. But here you can directly take the classes from the solution. Okay, whatever solution is provided, directly take the classes from the same. Okay, so let's wind up with today's session. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
And subscribe my channel.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
चैनल का नाम तो बोल.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.